In the small town of Larkspur Lane, nestled between rolling hills and vibrant fields, the four O'Connor siblings, Ellie, Max, June, and little Sam, greeted each season with bubbling excitement, each bringing its unique flavor and adventures. Winter wrapped the town in a chilly embrace, the landscape transforming into a shimmering white canvas. Ellie, the eldest at 10, would lead her siblings in building a snow family modeled after their own. They scrounged for carrots, buttons, and scarves, their laughter mingling with the chilly air. Afternoons were spent sipping hot cocoa, courtesy of their mom, as they huddled by the fireplace, sharing stories they'd read. Spring was a delight to all senses, exploding with colors and fragrances. The siblings would race into the blooming meadows, chasing butterflies and hunting for the brightest flowers to bring home to their mother. Max, fascinated by bugs, would show off his collection of ladybugs and caterpillars, much to June's disgust and fascination. They built forts among the trees, with walls made of branches and roofs carpeted with daisies. Summer came like a grand show of fireworks. The lake beckoned, and they spent endless hours building sandcastles, splashing around in the warm waters, and learning to fish with their granddad. Evenings meant chasing fireflies and storytelling under the stars, the night echoing with their mischievous plans and dreams. Autumn was a spectacle of golds and reds. They played in the piles of crunchy leaves, the crisp air urging them to venture further. Sam, now old enough to walk, stumbled after squirrels, his giggles contagious. They collected acorns and pine cones, and with a little help from Dad, crafted bird feeders, delighting in the daily visits from their feathered friends. Each season wove its magic, turning ordinary days into cherished memories, and in Larkspur Lane, the heartwarming spectacle of childhood danced on, year after year.